So hello everyone. Basically it's 3 and 27 a.m. and just 3 minutes left to deadline, but I just tried to build some Siri app. So basically I'm trying to do this challenge, usually challenge winner. So I'm just considering this, and here I just built the potato starts monitor that says no or yes. So basically how does it work? It's a one-shot project, here you can see, and here's the actual project here on the potato stats monitor netlify.app, here you can see. And yeah, basically there is also the API, the crazy part you can see here. You can just refresh and refresh and it will change. What else? So basically the idea is here. What was the idea? I also get the idea from ChatGPT. I just said, hey, give me shit idea. Okay, and here we go, the potato online, the stats monitor. So the high level component, Next.js, Tailwind, shadcn, frame motion, and etc. And here, so basically this is just our engineered potato stats monitoring system. The app features a beautiful animated interface like this that randomly determines if the potato is online with 50% probability over every 3 seconds. Yeah, that's it.